Hello there! Is your Lorex camera showing offline on the app? Don't worry, this video will walk you through 4 options to get your camera back online in no time. Step 1, check if your camera is properly connected to power. Unplug the camera, gently remove it from its mount, and place it on a flat, stable surface. Check for any visible damage to the camera or power cord. Look for cuts, cracks, or other physical issues. Now, let's connect the power cord to the camera and plug it into a working outlet. Wait for the green LED above the lens to turn solid green. Step 2. Restart your router to refresh its network settings. If multiple devices are offline, your router might need a reset. Unplug your router, wait about 1 minute, then plug it back in. Once your router is back online, all your devices, including your camera, should automatically reconnect. Step 3. Reconnect your camera to the Lorex app. Open the Lorex app, go to Settings, tap Wireless Network, and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect your camera. Step 4. Ensure that your cell phone has a strong Wi-Fi connection. If the signal is weak, try the following tips to improve it. 1. Move your camera closer to the Wi-Fi router. 2. Minimize interference by avoiding obstacles like walls, microwaves, washing machines, or Bluetooth devices. 3. If your router has adjustable antennas, try repositioning them to boost the signal. 4. Change your Wi-Fi channel to one that's less congested. And 5. If you have 2 Lorex devices and only one is having issues, switch their locations to see if the problem follows the device. If you're still having trouble, reset your Lorex device. Before resetting the device, remove the device from the app, then reset your device and re-add it to the app. And that's it! Your camera should be back online. Thanks for watching. If you need any further assistance, visit lorex.com/support